Chapter 4. Card Spreads. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. 7th Card Spread. The 7-card tarot spread is a more comprehensive spread than the 5-card spread, allowing for a deeper exploration of a specific situation or question. This spread can provide valuable insight into multiple aspects of the querent's life, including their thoughts, emotions, actions, and relationships. Here's an example of how to perform a 7-card tarot spread and interpret the cards. Card 1. The Self. The first card in the spread represents the querent's current state of being, or their sense of self in relation to the question. This card provides insight into the querent's thoughts, feelings, and motivations. Card 2. The Challenge. The second card represents the main challenge or obstacle that the querent is facing in relation to the question. This card can provide insight into what is preventing the querent from achieving their desired outcome, or what difficulties they may face in the future. Card 3. The Root Cause. The third card represents the underlying cause or source of the situation or question. This card can provide insight into what has led to the current circumstances and may reveal any past influences that are affecting the present. Card 4. The Advice. The fourth card represents the advice or guidance that the tarot has for the querent in the situation. This card provides insight into what actions the querent can take to overcome the challenges presented in Card 2 and move towards their desired outcome. Card 5. External Factors. The fifth card represents the external factors that are influencing the situation or question. This card can provide insight into the people, events, or circumstances that are affecting the querent's life and can help them to understand the broader context of the situation. Card 6. The Future. The sixth card represents the potential outcome or future of the situation or question. This card can provide insight into what may happen if the querent follows the advice presented in Card 4 and takes action towards their desired outcome. Card 7. The Lesson. The seventh and final card represents the lesson or learning that can be gained from the situation or question. This card provides insight into what the querent can take away from the experience and how they can grow and develop as a result of it. 7th Card Spread Interpretation. Interpretation. Question. What do I need to know about my current relationship? Card 1. The Present Situation. The Lovers. The Lovers suggests that the querent is currently in a committed relationship or has a strong connection with someone. This card represents the energy of love, harmony, and unity. Card 2. Obstacles or Challenges. The Nine of Swords. The Nine of Swords suggests that the querent may be struggling with anxiety or fear regarding their relationship. They may be experiencing nightmares or worries about the future of the relationship. Card 3. Conscious Awareness. The Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups suggests that the querent is currently in touch with their emotions and is able to express themselves honestly and openly to their partner. They may be feeling compassionate and nurturing towards their partner. Card 4. Subconscious Awareness. The Four of Cups. The Four of Cups suggests that the querent may be feeling discontent or boredom in their relationship. They may be feeling unfulfilled or dissatisfied with the current state of the relationship. Card 5. The Advice. The Ace of Pentacles. The Ace of Pentacles suggests that it's important for the querent to focus on practical matters and stability in their relationship. They may need to have a conversation with their partner about their future plans together and how they can work towards building a secure and prosperous future. Card 6. The Future. The Three of Wands. The Three of Wands suggests that if the querent follows the advice presented in Card 5, they can experience growth and expansion in their relationship. They may be able to expand their horizons. Card 7. The Outcome. The Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords suggests that the potential outcome of the situation is one of clarity, truth, and mental clarity. It may indicate that the querent will have a breakthrough in their understanding of their relationship and will be able to communicate their needs and desires more clearly. The Ace of Swords can also indicate a new beginning or a fresh start, suggesting that the potential outcome of the situation is positive if the querent is willing to take action and make necessary changes. 7 card spread example questions. What do I need to know about my career path? What is holding me back from achieving my goals? How can I improve my financial situation? What do I need to know about my health and well-being? What is the best way to approach a difficult situation with a friend or family member? What do I need to do to improve my love life? How can I improve my communication skills? What is the best way to approach a creative project? What do I need to know about my spiritual journey? How can I find more balance in my life? What do I need to do to achieve my desired outcome in a particular situation? What is the root of my current challenge? What do I need to let go of in order to move forward? What do I need to know about my current relationship? How can I improve my self-care routine? What is the best way to approach a conflict or disagreement? What do I need to know about my current job or work environment? How can I improve my overall happiness and well-being? What is my true purpose in life?